Hi again, everyone. Today we're going to make pasta, garlic, and oil. One of the simplest pasta dishes you can make. This is the way that I like to almost judge a Italian restaurant. I have some percolatelle here and some water, which I'm going to add some salt to. And I'll put this in. Now the total cooking time for al dente on this is about 9 minutes. So we're going to cook that significantly less, because we're going to finish it in our pan. Get that started. Now in the meantime, we're going to make the garlic and oil, which goes super easy. Got a little bit of fire going on my pan here. Work these noodles in. My usual spaghetti pot has other stuff in it right now, so we'll work them in. You just kind of twist them in. Alright. There we go. They're in there, they're getting happy. So like I said, garlic and oil, very simple. Aglio y Olio. I got my pan here. I put it at about medium heat. Doesn't need a tremendous amount of oil. Put about a tablespoon in here. This will be one main course or two appetizer courses worth. Add some red pepper flakes here. Add some spice to our life. Now put them into the oil. It'll kind of infuse that flavor. Now I like it nice and spicy. I'm going to add another pinch. I'm also going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. And let that bloom. And see how nice and easy this is. One of the big differences that's going to make this different as opposed to the way you might see it in poorly executed is a lot of times restaurants pour cook their pasta and all the starch gets rinsed out. So when they take the noodles and reheat them and they add it to oil, there's nothing there to stick. Now we're going to take it right out of the cooking water and into the sauce, and that's what's going to give us, that little bit of starch in there is going to help it bind. Alright, I hear those pepper flakes cracking a little bit. I'm going to add my garlic. I'm going to use a garlic press today. Alternatively, you could chop it up. You could dice it. Just, use fresh garlic if you can. The jarred garlic doesn't taste anywhere nearly the same by the time that they add salt and they put it in the water, and they add some citric acid, some sorbic acid to it. Now the dish is about garlic, so you want to have a good amount in there. Alright. I turn my heat down to low because I don't really, I just want the garlic to warm up and soften up. I don't need to kill it. And if it gets too toasty, it'll be bitter, and we surely don't want that. Alright, our noodles have been in for about 4 minutes, so 1 or 2 more minutes in there. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up some parsley. Flat leaf parsley. That's the other component of this. Flat leaf, once again, much more flavor than curly leaf. Alright, so that's good. Remember, it will wilt once it hits the heat of the pasta. Got my garlic toast working. We are just about set. Other ingredient that we're going to add at the end, is some Parmesan cheese. Alright. That's good. Pasta's been in about 5.5 to 6 minutes. And I'll pull it out and put it right in to where I'm going here. With the water, we want the water with it. Alright. So now we're just going to toss that in there, bring it together, leave the heat on, and I'm bringing a little bit of the pasta water, so it has a little bit of a sauce. Just a little bit of salt. A little more black pepper. Alright, now that little bit of water is going to finish cooking our pasta here. If you look at it, it's forming into a sauce as opposed to just oil. Alright, so now that's all set. Gonna add my parsley. Right at the end, we want to still have a nice sharp flavor. Turn off our heat. Move that around a little bit. Now we're gonna add our cheese. Do this with the fire off, because we don't want any clunky cheese or stringy cheese. Alright, now we're going to move that together, keep it moving together, and if we feel like it's starting to clump or not turn into a sauce at all, we'll add a little bit more pasta water, but we just want it to come together. Make a nice, delicate little sauce. You see it starting to clump a little bit like it is on me. Then add a little bit of pasta water to it. Just keep it moving. It'll cream up into a sauce. It'll come right back for you. There we go. We're going to grab our plate. Pull that out, give you a nice look at it here. Just coating the pasta. No soup, no clumps. It's very, very beautiful. Garnish that, just a little bit of fresh black pepper, a little bit more cheese right on top. Parsley. And there you go. Spaghetti, garlic, and oil. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy.